I'm at my mom's house pick up the persimmon เอาไปเฮ็ดบักไม้ตากก็ได้กินสดก็ได้ around November like close to Thanksgiving that's when we harvest them okay and look at her garden she got like cilantro and green onion everything so look at that the leaf all the leaves start to dry out and then this is time to pick up okay it's everywhere guys a lot the big one is inside listen it went over my head right here see everywhere Yay.
And there's a lot up there.
Wow, I need you should come up here. Look, a lot. Okay, I'm already harvest persimmon. Okay, in November, around November, early November or before Thanksgiving, my family always pick them up. Okay, from my mom's garden. All right. So look, all gone, and in my basket. You guys see it? Big old basket right there. See what I'm gonna cook for you guys with this one, okay? So you can dry them and drink with it, you know, put in the hot tea and drink it. And then I will take it home and then, okay. I'm peeled to like 4 different corners like this again. Okay, let's slide. That's good enough. Okay. Yeah, some of them they have the seed like that. Just take it off. Teeny tiny. Okay. See how beautiful it looks. And now I'll go here put in a tray to dry. Okay, make sure the machine is turned on and I let that run, and then just come back check often and check the bottom first, make sure it's dry, and then you can like alternate your tray and flip them, okay? Sabadi. Hi everyone, how you doing today? Welcome to Gigi Lao's Kitchen. Today is really a special day. We pick up the fruit. It's persimmon from my mom's garden, and thanks mom to share with us, and then I can cook for everybody. Okay, we have so much. I picked the whole from the whole tree, right? And there's so much I cannot finish it all, and I give to my friend, and I still have a lot left, right? So what you need to do, like you wanna save your, fruit for a while. And I love to drink tea, and I slide them really tiny, like this. I dry them. I use the machine since it's November. It's very cold right now, and then I soak my persimmon in the honey like that, okay, overnight before I put in the jar, okay, like that, okay. Okay, after I slide, and they're gonna be dry like this, okay, from the machine, but you have to watch them and make sure you alternate the tray and they're still soft, okay. And then when you soak in the honey, soak with the honey, and they're gonna be like that, okay. And meanwhile you can eat them like honey candy, and if you put them like this, handful like that, okay. And then I use the 100% honey when it's well, I live in Texas, so I use the honey from my area, okay. So it's also good for you if you use like eat the honey from your area. Is okay. See, you mix with the honey. The honey is good for you. Half a spoon a day is good for you. So you're just gonna soak like that, okay? See how it's still like hot, right? Because it just come from the machine. So you don't wanna leave like that. I cover up overnight, and they become like this, okay? And what I do, I go ahead fill up to the jar like this. Okay, you wanna put it in a jar like this, okay? And then I got the one is already finished. It's like this, okay? You can like come closer so you see the honey, everything like that. Okay. Then I'm gonna put this away, and then we're gonna make some hot tea, okay? Show you how to make hot tea from it. And it's good. My mom and I love to drink tea. My whole family love to drink tea with the cookie. So first, see, I have a nice cookie here. Then I prepare my tea. And they say the green tea is good for you, right? So I use a green tea, 1 bag. Okay, so see, I open the container and they have the honey in there. See, you don't need to add sugar in your tea, okay? Just put it in there. And they're gonna give very nice and sweet, and the aroma from persimmon is very good. And I use the cinnamon stick too. Instead of a spoon, you use the cinnamon stick, okay? Now I'm gonna use my hot water. Now you wanna stir gentle. The cinnamon, the persimmon, and the tea. Oh gee, I wish you guys here right now. Smells so good. That aroma, it's amazing. So I have to wait few minutes until my tea is, come out, okay? Before I drink my tea tonight, I would like to thank my mom. I know she grow all the fruit. You have to know where your root come from. Remember I talk about my grandma all the time. She's a gardener, but she's a housewife. She love to plant. She love garden, okay? And look what she make it happen. My mom love just like her mom, and I'm just like her, okay? So we love to do some garden, okay, guys? And this is very nice, good fruit, and I know it's good for your body. You can research, and then we harvest in November month, okay? So then we're gonna have this kind of tea for our holiday, for Christmas and for Thanksgiving and Christmas. And then if you don't want to drink with tea, you can put on the table and people can enjoy the honey snack, and it's really healthy. Instead of eat candy, this one is good. หวานแซ่บกรอบมันแซ่บเราตัดกินเข้าไป healthy and you're gonna have the fresh light like that very thin with the cookie. Đó. Then you have a tea. This is cinnamon. This is a green tea. Bát hố bỏ miếng măng thêm. Mình phải vào đấy.บ่ต้องไปฮอดญี่ปุ่นดอกกินนะกินอยู่ประเทศอเมริกาหรือว่าเมืองลาวเฮ็ดกินรอดพวกเจ้าซาเฮาก็แซ่บคือกันครัวลาวก็แซ่บคือกันเนาะ Yeah, I like to invite people eat this food. Some people don't even know what it is. I go grocery, they say, "What is that?" I said, "This is your doctor." เห็นบ่งามค่ะเมื่อลักก็สิไปเนาะแบบนี้That's very good, guy. Very good. Something you do for fun, but it's healthy for you, and share with your friend and your family that come over to your house, holiday. This is really unique to put on the table when the guest come. Before you serve the dinner or anything like that, just sit down and have a tea. Let me cut the food, cook the food, on around holiday, okay? And you guys enjoy your Thanksgiving, okay? I know it's coming up pretty soon, and you will have a wonderful holiday, okay? Thank you for watching my channel. Subscribe, okay? All right, see you next time. Bye. ลาก่อน